In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Notion. We're going to embed a live Notion page directly inside a Monday.com board using the Notion Embedder app from the marketplace so your docs and tasks stay together. Start by signing in to your Monday.com account and heading to the home area. Open the board where you want the Notion page to appear. In this walkthrough, I'm using a board called To-Do List. With the board open, look for the grid style menu with 9 dots to access more options, then open the app's marketplace. In the Marketplace search bar, type Notion and select the app called Notion Embedder. On the app page, click Install App or Use App, then proceed with install. If your account requires admin approval, you might see a quick confirmation. Allow it to continue. After installation, Monday.com guides you through a short setup. You'll be asked whether to start with your own workspace or begin with a template. Continue with your own workspace so you can attach the app to the board you already opened. Next, choose the board you want to connect, the to-do list board in this example, and confirm any prompts that appear. When asked, click Add App to attach Notion Embedder to the board, and then click Done to complete the initial setup. Now configure the view. You'll be prompted to select a column that will store the Notion link. If your board doesn't have one yet, create a new column and choose the URL column type so Monday.com recognizes it as a link field. Give the column a clear name like Notion Link so everyone knows what goes there. With the column ready, switch over to Notion and open the page you want to display in Monday.com. Click Share at the top of the Notion page, then click Copy Link. If you're sharing this with teammates, make sure the page's sharing settings allow access for anyone who needs to view it. The correct link and access are essential for the embed to load properly. Return to your Monday.com board and paste the Notion URL into the URL column for the relevant item or row. After the link is in place, click Done to save the configuration. If an informational message appears about how the embed works, click Acknowledge to proceed. You should now see a Notion view added to your board. Give it a moment to load and your Notion page will appear directly inside Monday.com. From here, you can scroll the embedded page and keep your project work and documentation side by side. If the preview doesn't load, double check that you selected the correct board, that the URL column contains the right Notion link, and that the Notion page's share settings allow access via that link. That's the complete flow from start to finish. Open your board, head to the marketplace, install Notion Embedder, attach it to your board, create or select a URL column, grab the share link from your Notion page, paste it into the column, and confirm. Once set up, you'll have a live synced window into Notion without leaving Monday.com, making it easy to reference specs, plans, and notes while managing tasks. Thanks for following along. Pause or replay sections as you set this up in your own account, and once your first page is working, you can repeat the same steps for additional items or boards. See you in the next tutorial.